Hi Basil.
Oh, yes, Sinto.
Good, and you?
Good, thank you.
Good. Okay.
Thank you.
So we are going to discuss about the push-ups. Like I'm going to demonstrate and we will see in detail. Hi, welcome. In this video, I will be demonstrating the push-up exercise using a client. Basil, once again, thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you.
Okay. So we will explore correct and incorrect techniques. And most of all, whatever we have to do it safely. So we are also discussing about the exercise safety and biomechanical principles, the muscles involved. So we must know, like, whatever we are doing, like, we can't simply do that. So we have to understand what muscles are working and what muscles are we need to work it out. Either we are doing the proper muscles, the working while doing the exercise. We have to understand the principles of the muscles, how it is working. So that's why we are going to elaborately see in this video, and especially the joint actions, the plane of motions, and finally the practical adaptation based on individual needs. Some all, like, from the beginners, when they try to start to do the push-ups, it's very difficult for them. So we have to adapt, like, by taking the knee push-ups. And from athletes who is doing the push-ups and they want more, we can use the incline push-ups also. This is called a kind of adaptation of the push-ups. We are going to see it like in detail. I'm going to demonstrate does and don't. It's just a simple does and don'ts demonstration. Okay. So, like, whatever you're doing, like, we need to understand how the right techniques. So first I will demonstrate, like, how you're not supposed to do the push-ups. Like, it includes, incorrect form, including sagging or elevated hips, flared elbows, and hands placed too far forward, and proper form involves. Okay. So we are going to do, like, incorrect forms, and I'm going to teach you, like, how to do which is the correct form. And I'm going to explain it about it. Okay. As a straight body, line from head to heels, hands under shoulders, elbows at 45-degree angle, and a tight core. Okay, let's see. Demonstrate. I'm going to show it off. Yeah, put this mat a little bit back. Yeah. Now you're good to go. So Basil, I'm going to demonstrate the incorrect techniques. Like,
The incorrect techniques.
Yeah, the incorrect techniques, obviously, while doing the push-ups. Okay. So it's like, the first thing is the hip joints. Okay. Some people will do, like, they will elevate the hips more, or they will sag the hips, do. Both are incorrect. The hip should be, flat. Okay. Then we are going to concentrate on the elbows. Some people used to do the flared elbows like this, and it's no. Then your shoulder will be, like, in trouble. Okay. So the next thing, the people always do the mistakes, they raise a arm too forward. So I'm going to demonstrate now. Okay. Watch carefully. So speaking of the elevated hips, people used to do the push-ups like this. It's very difficult position to do, but you can't do about this. Okay. And the other mistake is they will do the sagging like this. No, this is also wrong. So the proper technique is, for the hip, you should be like in a plank position, straight as a flat. Okay. The other one, the people used to do the flare, the push-ups, like with the flare, like elbow like this. This is wrong. No. The right technique for this flare elbow is supposed to be like towards your shoulder, should be this one. Okay. Like this one. You listening? Yeah, that's good. And the other mistake the people used to do, they used to do the hands too forward. You can't do the push-ups over like this. No. It's supposed to be to your shoulder level, where exactly it is. So now the final one is, like, see, the hip should be flat. Hip should be flat, and don't flare the elbows. The elbow should be like slightly 45-degree, and your arm not too far, not too short. Okay. So the right technique is this one. Like, see, one. Your chin has to close as to the ground. Okay. It's not that this like this. It happens to be close to the ground and up. I'm going to guide you how to do the, like, a proper push-ups. Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
So you remember, like, what I did, like, I was shown, like, what to not to do and how to do. Just, like we try to put it in form now, like a right form. Okay, go on. I'll be there to help you. Yeah, wait, yeah. So you see, you have the hands are so wide, you know. Yeah, make it to inside, like inside the shoulder. Yes, that's correct. And your heels, the foot, it has to be like close enough, not too wide. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, and lower the hip a little bit. Yes, that's fine. Now go. Okay, see, don't flare the elbows. The elbow should be 45-degree. Okay, like as I tell you. Yeah, go on. Yes, that's fine. Yeah, you're good. You're doing good. And try to be like, like close near to the floor. Your chin should be. Yes, that's a perfect one. Up. Yes, good. That's it. You got it. Nice. You can stop. Nice buzzer. Good.
Yes, thank you.
Good, man. You got it, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So Central, tell me what are the muscle that impacts when you're actually doing the push-ups?
Okay, that's a good question. So I'm going to explain like the muscle involvements. Okay. So there are like three, category of the muscles like while doing the push-ups or any exercise, which is agonist muscles, antagonist muscles, synergist muscles, and the supportive muscles. Okay.
Right.
So while doing the push-ups, the agonist muscles, which involves are, you know, it's a pectoralis major, which is our chest muscle. Okay, this muscle is the agonist muscle. The antagonist muscles, like it's like which is counter-reacting muscle, which is latissimus dorsi, which is latissimus dorsi. So that is all your back muscles while doing the push-ups.
Right.
The synergist muscle, while doing the push-ups, the synergist muscles are triceps brachii and anterior deltoids. So these are the muscles involving while doing the push-ups, and you are just developing, strengthening, and developing and make it stronger. And there are also some supportive muscles are there. So the supportive muscles, which used to be serratus anterior, rectus abdominis, and transverse abdominis, and then gluteus maximus. So these are the muscles also involved while doing the push-ups as a supportive muscles, like your core muscles, your glutes, you know. Like as I said, the antagonist is like muscles like you can say the chest muscles like pectoralis.
Right.
Yeah. So you can ask me if you have any doubt.
How often do you do these kind of push-ups?
It's not that it's there is no any rule or like that like the push-ups. It depends upon the individual needs. How you want to be fit active. Someone can like say 30 or 10 push-ups. It's fine for a day, but people. So I know some people used to do 100 to 300 400 push-ups oftenly.
Thank
So
you.
yeah, if you can slowly like getting, if you get better and you feel you can do more, you can, but don't overdo and don't burn out.
Thank you for clearing up about the different muscles. It makes a lot of sense. But my concern would be the biomechanics in terms of joints.
Okay.
How does that play into all of this?
Okay, that's a good question, and I'm also glad that you understand about the muscles involved while doing the push-ups. Yeah, see, without the muscles, it has to be joints and bones. Joints will be also taking part and involved in the push-ups while doing it. So we have like in our body, like anatomically speaking, we got like a lot of joints. For example, we have elbow joints, shoulder joints, like wrist joints, hip joints, and knee joints. So the biomechanics of these joints involves, while doing the push-ups, there are two joints like which is like involving in while doing the push-ups. Those are one is an elbow joint, the other one is like the shoulder joints. And yeah, obviously these joints also involved, but these two joints are the major joints like which is involving while doing the push-ups. I will just explain the biomechanics. What are the joints like we involving? Say, for example, elbow joints. It's a hinge joints. Hinge. There has to be like one point is pivot, the other one is like do the flexion and extension. So while doing the push-ups, this elbow joint, which is hinge joint, playing a vital role, like doing like flexion and extension. And the other one is like your shoulder joints, which is ball and socket joints. There is a socket there, and inside the ball which will be rotated like this and to the grip. So that's what the shoulder joints is doing. It's called ball and socket joints.
Right.
Okay. And yeah, the movement involved is horizontal adduction for the shoulder joints. Okay, so I
Makes
hope
sense.
that I cleared
Yes.
the joints and these things
Yes.
for you.
Thank you.
Okay,
Very clear.
cool,
Thank you.
nice. Okay, so I'm now to demonstrate. Like we are going to demonstrate how to do the spotting for the push-ups. Okay, some people like try to find like a beginners, try to find do the push-ups like they will struggle like. So yeah, I will tell you the right techniques how to spot the people for the push-ups. Okay, position please. Let me know like when yeah, proper position. That's good. Yeah. Let me know you're struggling. Yeah, I can see. Can I touch your body, like for example? Yeah, yeah, cool. Yeah. No, no. Yeah, that's good. Good. Go down. Go down. Good. Up. Good. Go down. Good. Yeah. Fine. You okay?
Yes.
Yeah, that's good.
Sunil, thank you for explaining the biomechanics of joints. Makes a lot of sense. And I think from experience, I also had those kind of experiences. It makes sense now in terms of techniques and so on. But what I need to understand is in terms of adaptation, in terms of how do you adapt your push up to different techniques and styles? How does it help?
Yeah. Basil, I'm glad that you asked this question. Okay. So yeah, so we can take like a lot. There is a lot of kind of push-ups like people used to adapt. The types of push-ups, knuckle push-ups, diamond push-ups, one-hand push-ups. There are like so many push-ups are available there. And you see, the push-ups is not that it's not that hard exercise, but for the beginners, the first they will find it like a little bit tough. And the more the people used to more push-ups, and they feel bored like doing the same push-ups again and again. They need some challenges also. So for that, yeah, the adaptation is right. Like,
Okay.
but for the people who is so weak and they are learning, they can do the knee push-ups, which is easy. It's
Okay.
like a kind of a starting stage. And people who wants more, they can go for like incline push-ups.
Okay.
Okay, so the incline push-ups will be like hard enough, and they find it challenge, and people used to love.
Right.
So I'm going to demonstrate what are the adaptation of the push-ups like we can have to going to do. The first one is like for the knee push-ups. Basically, the name called knee is come with the knee. You have to take the push-ups with your knee. So your lower body weights will be like reduced much, and you can focus on your upper body. Like it will be easy. Yeah, it's not like this. It's not like this cow position. Knee push-up should be like your arm should be in shoulder level. Okay, you can get down also. Yeah, and that will be easy for you to see and see. Easy. Yeah, this is for beginners, like to know the right form and the techniques. Yeah, usually I used to do like this, just doing with the knee. Okay, so this is the knee push-ups, like yeah, 45 degree. The wrist should be reached and hand should be inside the shoulder, and don't flare the elbow in this also. Simple. Okay, good. And yeah, next for the challenging push-ups, you can go for the yeah, yeah. You can try. Yeah, yeah. You can try. Yeah. Hands is too far. Just make it like hands. Yes, yes. That's right. Good. Yeah, yeah. Good. Nice. So how you find it? It's easy or difficult?
It's much easier than the other one.
Yeah. See. Good. Nice. So as you ask, like, for you need some more challenge, like you can do the incline push-ups. The next adaptation is incline push-ups. I will show you the incline push-ups how it will be. See, like you can use the stepper or any like incline surface to make it challenging and do more. So I'm going to use this platform as my incline floor to do the push-ups. First, I will demonstrate how to do it. Okay. Yeah. See, this is the incline push-ups, and the upper body will have to carry more weights because of the inclinations. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Same as a flat push-ups. Everything should. The rules are the same. Okay.
Yes.
Do you see? Yeah, a little bit challenging, but you'll get good results like when you're doing this. You want to try?
Yes, can I try?
Okay. Let's see. I'll guide you through. Yeah. Check your positions. Yeah, that's good. Don't flat the elbow. Yeah, rise. Very good. Very good. How you feel?
Challenging, but yeah, what is the benefit of this?
So, like, because of the inclination, the body weights increase. And, yeah. How you feel?
Feeling good.
Good.
You feel the chest.
Yes. And the shoulders also as well?
The shoulders and the chest.
Yes. Because when you do the body inclining, right? It will, due to the gravity and the inclinations, the body will weight more. Yeah. That will give the good results for you.
Thank you.
Good. Now, last leg. I can show you, like, if you want, I can show you like different types of push-ups, like how many push-ups like people can do, just for to understanding. Yeah. So this one is a normal push-ups like what people used to do. Yeah. And we can do the knuckle push-ups using our knuckles. And if we can, like next level, we can do the finger push-ups using your finger. And if you want more challenging, we can do the 3-finger push-ups as well. Let me try for you. And if you want more challenging, we can do the 2-finger push-ups. So these are the advanced level, like you need more practice, and whatever you're trying to do, don't break your fingers. Okay, the safety always comes first. Okay, I can show you thumb pushes as well, but yeah. Good. Thank you, Bezir.
Thank you so much. That was good.
So I hope you learned something from the push-ups.
I did. Thank you so much. That was
Okay.
very beneficial.
Okay.
Appreciate you all.
If you can ask if you have any questions or you want to learn
How often
something.
do we do these kind of exercises, and what are the benefits of these things?
See, that's what like previously I said before. Push-ups, you don't need any equipments. You don't need any gym equipments. It's like on-the-go exercise is like a very, good exercise. Like you can use your body weights, your upper body exercise, and you can strengthen your core also. The core is very important. Okay, and as usual, the shoulder joints, and it will develop your chest muscle also. So it has a lot of benefits.
How do we prevent these joints from?
You have to do the proper techniques, like what techniques are described to you and showed. You have to do the proper techniques. Otherwise, if you flare the elbow joints, it will impact your shoulder. And the too much knee will put more pressure on your wrist. And too much sagging, not good. Okay, just try to make it as a flat plank pose. That will be good.
Thank you. I think that's been good.
Thanks, man.
Very beneficial.
Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you so much.
Glad.
Appreciate it.